The reason I came to BASF is I wanted a company that was promoting women into leadership and that had global and expanding opportunities for my career. One of the things I love most about BASF is the amazing benefits we have. What really helped me a couple years into working here was my youngest daughter started having massive panic attacks. Basically, I had to hospitalize my daughter. As I was struggling to find help for my child, I found the employee resource group called Parents. It's an amazing organization that really helps parents, even parents of just furry pets, and children with elderly parents to really understand the benefits that we have at BASF. There is no way, especially as a single mom, that I could have gotten through several years of my daughter's disease without BASF. From the insurance to the resources provided by the Parents Employee Resource Group to work-life balance, those were all absolutely critical in me being able to get my daughter healthy. She knew that her life was the most important thing to me, and she's doing amazing. Because she is doing so well, I was able to work with our partner, Bright Horizons, and talk to them about how to manage my child with a disability going to college. They put together a customized list for her. She has applied to 8 schools. Now I can take care of me for a little bit because I know she's okay. To be really productive at work, you have to have me time. At our headquarters in New Jersey, we have a gym where we can come in early, stay late, and go during the day. If you're not in Florham Park, we have amazing reimbursement benefits. You have to have 21 to go out.
Thank you, I'm aware.
They're really my core. Everything I do is for them, to make them independent, strong women. It's a huge comfort to know that the company is there for you, so you can focus on what you need to be doing when you're at work. I'm really proud to belong to an organization like BASF because they have been there for me and my daughter. I know they're going to be there for the future. BASF is genuinely committed to our families.